Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about buttons in AWT, part of Programming in Java course. A button in AWT is a component that can be clicked by the user to perform an action. The button class is used to create buttons. Here is an example of creating a button and adding it to a container. In this example, the myFrame class extends the frame class and overrides the constructor. Inside the constructor, the setSize, setTitle, and setLayout methods are called to set the size, title, and layout of the frame. A button is created and added to the frame using the add method. You can also add an action listener to the button to perform an action when the button is clicked. In this example, an instance of the action listener interface is created and registered with the button using the add action listener method. When the button is clicked, the action performed method of the action listener is called, where you can perform the desired action. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.